Retains all safety warning chimes. Amplifier turn-on output wire, provides 10-minute wrap accessory output. Single wire output for steering wheel control module. Compatible with Chevrolet Cobalt 2005-2006, compatible with Chevrolet Malibu 2004-2007, compatible with Chevrolet Malibu Classic 2008, compatible with Chevrolet Malibu Maxx 2004-2007, Pontiac G6, 2005-2009. Radio replacement interface for select 2004 GM LAN 11-bit vehicles without OnStar. Plug-and-play interface. May also be used on vehicles with OnStar if OnStar is not serviced or is unwanted. Top reviews from the United States. Fit my car perfectly, preserving the warning pings in my 2007 Chevrolet Malibu while installing an aftermarket radio. The setup was a breeze thanks to the color coding on the wires, the included instructions, and a YouTube video or two. Taking the front dash apart was probably the most difficult part. The wiring itself only took a few minutes and some wire crimps, the wires were even pre-stripped. I would recommend this to anyone with a 2004 to 2007 Malibu looking to install an aftermarket deck.